That we have coined the Drearies. Kind of consider it the wintertime equivalent of the Muggies. It has been gray, it has been damp, it has been chilly. Last time you got to see the sun was Friday afternoon. The next time you see the sun will be sometime next week, the way things are going. That's your Kentucky One Health Weather Bug camera located at beautiful Center College in Danville, where it is gray like everywhere else. MaxTrack Live Doppler. Not much out there, but we do have patches of drizzle, little light rain or sprinkle cutting through Harrison over into Nicholas County. You can see a couple spots maybe trying to show up around Lexington as well. It's just a damp feel. MaxTrack Live will be tracking rain tomorrow. Just instead of drizzle, we will have out and out rain, which for a few up north could begin as a wintry mix or a little bit of snow, but rain is going to be your dominant feature. The weekend storm, the one we've been talking about now for a while. We were also talking about yesterday how don't be surprised if the rain snow line, the trend with that comes south with time, opposite of what last weekend's storm did that went north. This one we expect to come a little further south. Well, that trend is continuing. For us, we're likely going to be seeing a buffet of stuff by the time it's all done. Rain, there could be a little ice, snow, and the cold, which will be in the 8-day winter's reminder of what it's supposed to feel like. Temperatures are somewhat milder than yesterday. We've kind of put that in air quotes for you because it's not like it's warm. We're not quite to normal, but it is warmer than yesterday. Middle upper 30s showing up with Monticello's now snuck to 41. Frankfort's at 39. Jackson, Moorhead at 34. It's 38 at the Bluegrass Airport. There is no wind, so no wind chill. It's been damp, but nothing has accumulated today. So normal high would be 41. We're in the upper 30s today. Should be low 40s tomorrow, kind of hang in there through Saturday, and then temperatures bottom out as we get into Sunday and Monday. Here's the setup tonight. A little cold front working its way down through central southern Ohio, gets to about the Ohio River, puts the brakes on. Then we're going to wait for the low coming out of the west. It's a fairly weak low, but it is gathering more moisture. 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, there is at least the possibility of a little mix across the northern counties as a warm front tries to bubble north. The warm front will eventually come across. As it does so through 11 o'clock and beyond, we get into more or less the warm sector, but takes our temperatures up into the 40s tomorrow. Then as the low begins to swing on by, we'll get into a slightly cooler batch of air. Nothing dramatic for Friday. Then the attention turns to what will be a monstrous storm coming out of the west. Combine that with pure Arctic air dropping in from the north. The bottom line is we have got a very active weekend coming up. This is going to be the one that comes on in. It is a tremendous storm out there in the Pacific, dumping heavy rain and snow in California all the way up to the Pacific Northwest. That is the big storm that is on the way. And the other thing that's happened, we've dislodged the cold air from Alaska. You remember back a little while ago, we were showing 20 and 40 below in Alaska. Now, it's still cold. It is Alaska after all, but the warmer air has gone up there, which means the colder air comes down our way. Tonight, drizzle, may see some rain late. Wintry mix possible north. We're in the low 30s and it's low 40s tomorrow. Periods of rain again may start as that brief wintry mix across the north. We continue then through the rest of your forecast. Friday in the low 40s, Saturday mid 40s with rain. That rain should change to snow either Saturday afternoon late or Saturday night. That lasts into Sunday and the ridiculous cold that follows.
I'm holding my breath already. When will we get?
Couldn't hurt.
When will we get an idea on predictions for that?
48 hours.
Okay.
So sometime Thursday or Friday.
Okay.
Yep.
Fingers crossed.
That's what we do.
Thanks, Phil.
Still ahead.